Welcome back. You're watching Talk with Audrey. So do you find yourself preparing the same meals day after day? Well, maybe it's time to find new inspiration in a place you might not expect, to your grocer's food aisle. Ceci Carmichael joins me to talk about the latest innovations in frozen food products, the benefits of choosing frozen foods, and some easy time-saving recipes and details about a new national sweepstakes offer. Hi, Ceci.
How are you? Thank you so much for having me.
Frozen foods have really changed over the years.
Oh, it's so changed. I mean, I think we're all sort of remembering the TV frozen dinner that was developed in 1952. It's changed a lot since then. If you walk down the freezer aisle these days, it's a myriad of options, 3,000 plus options, and you can have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, dessert, anything you want in the freezer aisle. It's fantastic, and there's something for everyone. I mean, you've got your vegetarian, your organic, gluten-free, ethnic-inspired offerings, and the thing is, it's real food just frozen, and which makes it really convenient. And a lot of the things that you're seeing these days are developed by expert chefs and dietitians and nutritionists. So it really takes the guesswork out of meal planning, which is something I think we all appreciate.
What's different about today's products?
I think what it is a product developing. They're constantly keeping up with health and food trends. As you know, everything changes from year to year, and it really is a foodie's paradise now. When I say there's something for everyone, it's awesome. And I think you've noticed that the freezer aisle has expanded. There's more and more freezer aisles anywhere you go. And also the freezing technology has improved so incredibly. Eco packaging, you know that your food is going to stay fresher longer, which is fantastic, and keep its nutrition. Like one of my favorite products is and it was developed a while ago, but it's the vegetable steam-in bag that basically you come home and you go, oh my gosh, I forgot to go to the grocery store, but I've got to serve a vegetable. I'm adamant about having a green thing on the side. Put it in the microwave. 5 minutes later, you've got a fresh, warm side dish, vegetable side dish. So there's a lot of great innovations these days.
Well, they can certainly save us some time and money, and maybe even get us out of our recipe rut, right?
For instance, like right here, I've got examples of things. Like I basically use my freezer as an extension of my pantry. I don't know. I know you're probably busy. There's days you can't go grocery shopping, but on those days that you can, I stock up. And so breakfast, everybody wants a quick, easy breakfast, get out the door quick. An egg sandwich, sausage egg sandwich with a smoothie. And this is where the frozen fruit comes in. Fantastic. You want your fruit frozen for smoothies anyway, and you can have a myriad of choices fruit-wise. So that, to me, is a perfect breakfast. And then you go to dinner, and everybody's like, when I say the freezer is an extension of the pantry, I know that at any given time I can come home at 7:15 and just start pulling things out. And here's an example. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's roasted vegetable chicken primavera. 3 ingredients. The vegetables are pre-roasted, the chicken's pre-grilled, you've got your pierogies on top. This took like under 20 minutes, and it has that homemade flavor. You get to sit down with your family, and you didn't have to make it from scratch and, sweat. I always say never let them see you sweat in the kitchen. And then another thing that makes people sweat is throwing a party. It's like, I don't know what to serve, and I don't want to serve chips. Go to your freezer, because you've got this. I call this snacks around the world and make it very exotic sounding. But you've got your Chinese pot stickers, you've got your meatballs from Italy, you've got your taquitos from Mexico, and because everybody loves the pizza. Takes no time at all. People love this, and it's a great thing. It's like an instant party on a platter. So people love this.
Where can we find some recipes and more information?
EasyHomeMeals.com, and you can register to win. Also, EasyHomeMeals.com has great recipe ideas, and you can kind of look and see what's new in the frozen food aisle.
Ceci, thanks so much for joining me. Well, that's it for this week's show. I'm Audrey Adams. I invite you to join me next week for more insightful, intelligent conversations and information on Talk with Audrey. It's the business of living. I'll see you next week.